chance with that chap. Keep it warm.
Well, here we are at our cup of tea break to recharge the batteries before we get our dinner for an hour or two in the mess tent. There's James investigating the Milo, which is rather tasty if you ask me.
So we have Milo and then we have
Nido, whatever that is. And we have
and chocolate.
Cadbury's drinking chocolate. Nuts.
Nutso and tea masala.
Tea masala. See that? Oh, not really focused. No, it's not really coming up. There's James.
Popcorn. And all the popcorn.
With the tray of popcorn. Erwin.
Cheers. Our minister. Minister.
Kenny. Joey. And Stephen. And that's all for now. I am going to just sit here and do nothing. Give me some of that popcorn.